Hello, my name is Liu. Today I'm going to talk about a user interface case study. The purpose of this project was to create a proper visual design for the responsive web fitness app. I'm going to walk through the initial UX study phase, wireframes, mood board, color palette, logo design, icon design, and some other UI elements. I also will include the animation design and prototype, which represent how users can interact with the mobile app. I think the most important parts of the UX study phase are the 5 Ws. This application is designed for the people who are new or returning to fitness, and the reasons why they choose to use this app are to become healthy and enjoy the associated benefits. And the exercise should be fun and suited to each user, and they can save time by fitting exercise into daily routines. So people can use this app anywhere, anytime, on any device. Then I created a primary persona Rebecca that contains environment, tasks, and goals. After that, I drew the user flow, which focused on the tasks to be accomplished by users and the goals they would like to achieve. In order to visualize the application and build the site structure, I sketched the low fidelity wireframes here. And I also sketched the mid fidelity wireframes, which helped me to arrange the user interface elements such as the CTA buttons, blocks, picture size, the thumbnails for each single exercise. For this part, I care about if these UI elements tell a cohesive story to users and allow them to interact with these elements effectively as well. When making the mood board, I was inspired by the sunrise beach, a great amount of healthy food such as fresh veggies, fruits, the active and energetic runners, etc. All the images can invoke people the feeling of a positive mindset, the power of life, the fun and joyful activities, and the passionate spirits. The mood board helped a lot to make a decision about the colors selecting. Orange and yellow are the primary colors that keep users motivated and to work out consistently. Meanwhile, blue and indigo are associated with the sky and the sea, which can bring the fun and joyful activities. Then I played around the colors in Adobe Color Wheel by adopting the rule of split color scheme. I set orange and yellow as the two split analogous colors. Then on the opposite side of these two colors, I select a third color from the blue zone to complement the scheme. In that case, blue, orange, yellow color palette looks steady, harmonious, and vibrant. For the final color palette, I choose two analogous colors in the blue zone to blend each other. And meanwhile, I increase the saturation of orange to make it look brighter and stronger. Then put the yellow in toward the center to create a tint. Finally, I incorporated gray shades into the color palette, such as ash and charcoal as text body color. I started building an icon library during the wireframing section, and it gradually grew as the app expanded. Since I have a set of rules and a grid on which the icons were created, as you can see, for the icon library, all the icons have very consistent looks. For the typography section, I choose two different sans serif fonts, Bangla MM and SF Pro Display, because both of them have very clean shapes and can match a minimalistic style. Then for the UI elements, I included the buttons with 3 different states: the progress bars, progress circles, weight tracking diagram, weekly exercise time tracking, and exercise days tracking. Once I had a comprehensive style guide, I could apply the visual design to all the screens of Fitted. I designed these screens mainly focused on the tasks that users need to undertake and the goals they will achieve. For instance, I designed the onboardings and how users can search, filter, and sort a specific workout. I designed the interfaces with videos. And I also figured out how to display the badges, stars they earned for completion of a goal, and how to display the progress bars, circles, and a tracking diagram. I designed the personal profile and how to share with friends. I designed the gesture conversations and animations in Flinto to enhance the app's user experience. Now let's take a look at them. For the first page of the onboardings, I created a moving runner. I added gestures like taps and swipes to walk through the onboarding screens for first-time users. When the users log in, a subtle animation is applied to the button to tell them that they've successfully tapped. On the home page, I created a hamburger menu as mobile navigation, which frees up screen real estates by shifting options off-screen into a side menu. In terms of searching functionality, I adopted a drop-down list to give recommendations. I used a similar drop-down transitions for the filter and the sort functionalities. These sort of transitional animations highlight new content to draw users' attention. Video player takes an important role in this app because users usually watch and learn from the tutors in the videos. I made a very typical video player interfaces by dividing a class into several exercise sections in order to inform users of their progress. As you can see, I designed a vivid congress interface with badge, ribbons, and progress circles to enhance the screen effects. For the exercise list, this is a pretty long list, so I added a swiping gesture which guides users to expand more information. Since this is a fitness app, the animated circle or bar progress charts are the most crucial transitions. They are able to engage users in their performances and give them a sense of satisfaction and joy as they use the app. Then the final one should be the profile design. As you can see, I designed a very subtle avatar hide and show up transition, and also people can share with friends. Okay, this is pretty much everything I need to talk about today's case study. Thank you for watching this video. Goodbye.